subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has announced its new mid-range smartphone in Myanmar called Vivo S1 Prime. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo S1 Prime supports a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that houses 16 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a quad camera setup in a diamond-shaped module including LED flash at the top center. The quad rear camera includes 48 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 120-degree field of view plus 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset coupled with Adreno 610 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage that is further expandable up to 256GB via hybrid SIM card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on old Android 9 Pie based on FunTouch OS 9.2 skin on top. The device comes backed by 4500 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with multi-turbo feature for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.25 by 75.19 by 8.68 mm and it weighs around 190.2 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo S1 Prime has been priced in Myanmar at 389,800 Myanmar kyats, and it is now available for purchase in the country in jet black and nebula blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo S1 Prime smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.